We are in Shanghai, a city of diversity and inclusiveness, global financial hub, also the host city for the China International Import Expo.
The only import-themed national-level expo in the world.
A huge platform with unlimited consumer potential.
A place where you can look into the future.
The 5th CIIE is now in full swing in Shanghai. We will show you the latest trends and high-end technologies.
Greener innovations that can benefit our life.
World-renowned artwork across time and space.
Products from all over the world, local and international, newly found and time-honored.
What's new about this year? We have representatives from 145 countries, regions, and international organizations. Among Fortune 500 companies and industry leaders, more than 280 are here.
From automobiles to farm products, from medical equipment to high-tech gadgets, everything you want you could find here in the 6 major exhibition areas.
4 new feature areas have been set up this year, including crops and seeds, artificial intelligence, low-carbon technologies, and innovation incubation. Follow us as we will bring you more insights, observations, interviews, and hands-on experiences right here at the 5th CIIE.